Artificial intelligence is no longer just a tool for tech companies. It's now an active part of modern warfare, and Israel is using it extensively in its current conflict with Iran. From defense systems to precision airstrikes, AI is shaping every stage of the battlefield. On the defensive front, Israel's Iron Dome system has been upgraded with AI. It can now process radar data in real time, predict missile trajectories, and determine which incoming threats to intercept. This intelligent filtering means fewer wasted missiles and faster reaction times, boosting the Iron Dome's interception success rate to over 90%. Similar AI-driven systems are active at sea, where warships use advanced software to detect and shoot down drones, many of which are launched by Iranian proxies. But Israel's use of AI goes far beyond defense. Behind the scenes, sophisticated algorithms are identifying targets with breathtaking speed. One of the most well-known tools is called the Gospel. Developed by Israel's elite cyber intelligence unit, it analyzes vast streams of surveillance footage, intercepted communications, satellite imagery, and more to locate high-value targets like weapons facilities, command centers, and missile launch sites. Another system, known as Lavender, builds databases of enemy combatants. It sifts through social media activity, mobile phone metadata, and other digital footprints to identify suspected militants. According to reports, it can flag tens of thousands of potential targets with a high degree of accuracy in just a few hours, something that would take human analysts weeks to do. Together, these platforms form what some military insiders call a kill chain factory. They don't just identify targets, they recommend the best times and methods to strike, while flagging possible civilian presence. The entire process, though still overseen by human commanders, is accelerated dramatically by AI. To manage the chaos of modern war, Israel also uses AI for operational logistics. A platform known as Fire Factory automatically generates strike plans, assigns the right munitions, and schedules aircraft or drone deployment. Another tool, Fireweaver, links battlefield sensors directly to combat units, allowing for faster, smarter responses and reduced friendly fire incidents. On the ground, AI is being deployed through autonomous and semi-autonomous vehicles. Swarming drones with built-in machine vision are being used to map tunnels, scout urban areas, and even track moving targets. In armored combat, Israel's tanks are fitted with AI-powered 360-degree awareness systems that can detect and classify threats, such as incoming rockets or hidden enemies. All of these systems rely on powerful data infrastructure. Military clouds such as Israel's Project Nimbus, developed in partnership with Google and Amazon, host the massive datasets required to power these tools. These platforms allow Israel's AI systems to analyze data on the fly, even in the midst